Hi, I'm Marla Hager. I'm the NEPIRC Senior Business Advisor for Luzerne and Columbia Counties, and with me here today is Ray.
Hi, I'm Ray Kryeski. I'm one of the lean enterprise consultants here at NEPIRC. I specialize in installing and implementing and auditing ISO 9001, 2015, and AS 9100 quality management systems. When we're out in the field, we have questions that come from people that ask, what's the advantage of being ISO certified? So we took some of those questions, put them together here, and hopefully we can get you some answers that help make decisions on if you want to pursue a certification in ISO 9001, 2015, or one of the other standards that are available.
The first question that we have, Ray, is what is ISO 9001 and why was it created?
ISO 9001 is the international standard used for quality management systems. It's used by organizations to demonstrate their ability to provide products and services that consistently meet customer and legal requirements, and to demonstrate continuous improvement. 9001 can trace its roots back to the US and UK governments establishing military procurement standards. They eventually led to development and the first release in 1987 of the first official standard by the International Standards Organization.
And our next question is, how does ISO 9001 improve our processes?
9001 gives you guidelines to think about your processes systemically or holistically. It shows how processes relate to one another, and it can guide you to connect the dots to be more efficient in your processes. The standards, it's a comprehensive framework addressing all key processes of a company, not just the quality control end of things. It focuses on creating quality processes.
And the next question we have is, how does ISO 9001 influence a company's business decisions?
Yeah, good decisions are needed for a company's success. 9001 structured framework provides managers with information for helping make fact-based decisions. The framework is a thought process for making smart, informed decisions so you can avoid making decisions purely on emotion. A certified 9001 system has a built-in process for gathering and analyzing data. Also, leadership, they'll gain insight into which processes are working and which ones need more attention.
And the next question we have is, what can ISO do for my business revenue?
Customers desire quality, and they're going to reward companies for providing it. Certified companies gain a perceived and real value from their customers. Research shows that certified companies make an average of 7% more than companies that are not certified. And 85% of companies with ISO certifications experience greater demand for products or services.
And the next question we have is, how does ISO 9001 relate to other standards that a company may be interested in?
9001, it sets the standard for a foundation for other industry-specific standards, such as ISO 14001, the environmental management standard. Implementing 9001 makes addition of other management systems fairly quick and easy by setting it because they have the same structure and numbering system. In other words, if you're investing in obtaining your 9001 certification, you not only receive the benefits of a worldwide recognized quality management system, but you also experience significant reduction in time and money if you decide to add other systems to your business.
Next question we have is, does having a certification help with doing business with the DoD?
Short answer, yes. Department of Defense is requiring more and more that companies be certified to an industry standard. Also, other government agencies and municipalities, they require certification at times. Companies that you may work with or do business with may require certification as part of doing business with them. And usually a company that has achieved its own standard or has achieved its own certification will require you to, as a supplier or a partner in business, to have that certification.
And does having an ISO 9001 system impact operational costs?
Yeah, think about how much money your company may waste every year on repairs, on rejects, product recalls, outdated inventory, warranty claims. If you totaled your lost opportunity costs, what would that actually be? Improving your quality management system with ISO 9001, you find less need for rework because you will have fewer problems. With your improved operational processes, your production and service departments, they become more efficient. And that's going to save you money and time and increase your bottom line.
And how are customers impacted by a company's ISO 9001 system?
Certified companies have a much better order process. Communication with the customer becomes a lot smoother. You don't have misunderstandings. They can be avoided. Asking questions twice goes away. The improvements not only increase your operational efficiency, but they create less friction between your business and customers. If your processes are running more efficiently, your products and services and quality has improved, your customers are going to be happier. Our research indicates companies that have completed their certification have reported more satisfied customers. Increased customer satisfaction not only leads to increased customer loyalty, but they're also willing to pay more for it. The lifetime value of your customer increases with customer satisfaction, and it's going to reflect on your bottom line. And I think that was the last of our questions, Marla. Hopefully this gets people out there interested in ISO and certification, and if you need anything, please contact us here at NEPIRC. You can contact Marla, you can contact myself.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you.